Redmon!
Muddy truck.
La la la. Huh? Huh? Ah!
Welcome! This is Nick's Easy Clean Repair Shop.
Please help me.
How can I help?
As you can see, my body is a mess.
Oh my! How did this happen? It looks like mud.
I was trying to avoid a deer that popped out of nowhere, and I plummeted into the mud.
I see. I'll clean you up.
Ah, thank you so much.
Please wait in front of the car wash. The size of the truck is... Yeah! The pollution level is... Phew! The pollutant is... Mud! There we go! Should we get started now? Spray water first. Time for bubbles! Take off everything that's stuck. Time to rinse with water. Let's dry now. Let's add some shine. Time to wipe. Car wash complete.
Wow, this is me. How cool!
Whenever you need help, come to Nick's Easy Clean Repair Shop.
Yes, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye!
Click here to subscribe. Press like.